Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access device's calendar. Then pick a date by clicking on the chosen one. After that, you need to create your event by choosing Add over here at the bottom in the middle. Then adjust it however you wish to. Over here you can name it. And then click on More Options. Now click on Start in order to pick starting hour. Save it by choosing OK. You can also select Ending one. If you don't need to do any of that, just click on this switcher next to All Day to disable this option completely. Then click on Reminders and tap on the best option for you. I will go with 1 day. Now click on Reminder over here, repeat over here, and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, weekly. If you don't, just tap on one-time event. Whatever you do, go back by clicking on the top left corner. Now you can also click on Calendar Account, tap on the best option for you, I will go with Family, and over here, type in an address. Then you can also take some notes and finally save your event by clicking on OK. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to make some changes, you can always click on it and edit it by choosing this edit option. Now change wherever you wish to and click on Cancel to discard your changes or OK to save them. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you can click on it again, but this time select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!